Lèse-Majesté is a noun that refers to the crime of offending or disrespecting a sovereign or authority figure, often a monarch. This term, which literally translates from French as to harm majesty, describes actions, words, or expressions that insult, defame, or show a lack of respect toward a ruler or someone in a high position. While it once referred specifically to offenses against monarchs, in modern contexts it can also apply to disrespect toward any figure of authority. Origins of Lèse-Majesté. The term Lèse-Majesté comes from the Latin Lèsa Majestas, which means injured majesty. Originating in Roman law, it referred to any crime that diminished the dignity or authority of the state or its leader. The term was later adopted into French as Lèse-Majesté and then entered English, retaining its legal and political implications. How to use Lèse-Majesté. Lèse-Majesté is used in contexts involving strict respect for authority, and in modern times, it is often used figuratively or ironically. For example, if someone criticizes a well-regarded public figure, they might jokingly be accused of committing lèse-majesté. In some countries, however, lèse-majesté laws remain active and can lead to prosecution for acts perceived as disrespectful to heads of state or national symbols. Example sentences: in that country, mocking the royal family is considered lèse-majesté and is punishable by law. My criticizing the CEO's decision was practically lèse-majesté within the company's culture. Similar words: blasphemy, disrespect toward sacred things, though in a religious rather than political sense. Defamation, damaging the reputation of someone, often in a legal context. Insult, a general term for showing disrespect or offense. In essence, lèse-majesté highlights the importance placed on respect toward authority figures and, in some contexts, the serious consequences of perceived disrespect or criticism directed at leaders.